Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Former Meath star still lifting club trophies at the age of 40. Former Meath football star Brian Farrell inspired his club Nobber to a title success at the age of 40 on Sunday. Farrell hit 1-2-0-3 as they beat Core Town 3-11 to 1-10 to win the Div 8 Meath Cleaning Supplies Premier FC. The forward first lined out for Nobber at the age of 9 years old and is still lining out for his team 31 years later. Read next. Conor McKenna makes special dedication as Tyrone Man basks in AFL Grand Final triumph. Read next. Legendary manager calls for interprovincials to stay beyond Jim Gavin experiment. Farrell celebrated the title success with the child he recently welcomed with his wife, the former Fair City actress Evan McCall. He first played for the Meath senior team in 2004 and was part of the 2010 team that won the Leinster Football Championship, the last time the Royals won the provincial championship. Get the latest sports headlines straight to your inbox by signing up for free email alerts.